I'm Seth Steiminger, a mechatronics student at CSU CI. I wanted to compare the accelerations of a merry-go-round with a mass at the edge of it compared to having the same mass be at the center. My hypothesis is that the acceleration should be greater when the mass is at the center of the merry-go-round. My reasoning for this is because the mass will be more concentrated towards the axis of rotation, which should allow the merry-go-round to speed up a lot quicker. I put all my parts in this closed box to keep them all together. I used one accelerometer, Arduino, and a 9V battery to power it all. I first stood on the edge of the merry-go-round, holding the box with the accelerometer, and had my brother spin it around. I then moved onto the center, and he then again spun it around with me holding onto the accelerometer. Overall, the two accelerations experienced very similar patterns, with a first sharp acceleration when starting, followed by a close to constant when just spinning, and ending with one more final spike when being put to a stop. One key difference between the two, though, is the one at the center having a much larger spike when starting compared to the one where I was at the edge. And this is what I was hoping to see in my data, since the one with the mass at the center should have been easier to start spinning than the one with the mass on the outer edge. This was my first project as a mechatronics student at CSU CI, and I'm looking forward to working on many more in the future.
Okay, that was perfect.